Alright, guys, so good morning. Welcome to another video. Today, I am going to share something that is really close to my heart, and that is how volunteering has shaped my life. Whether you are in school, whether you are just starting your career, or you are looking for different ways just जो आपको help out करें as a person to grow, volunteering has a huge impact, right? So let's dive in. First thing I would like to share is gaining a new perspective, and to be honest, like this is the most important thing, and I thank my younger self for it, that I didn't waste my time during my university days, because if I call back, so there were a lot of volunteering experiences that I had been part of, और बहुत से वॉलंटियरिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया है गाइस, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग माय यूनिवर्सिटी डेज. सो आई विल बी शेयरिंग विद यू व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड from my experiences and how it helped me to grow as a person and how it helped me in my professional life. I remember during my university days I voluntarily worked with an organization called RUB, जो कि different public sector schools में टीचिंग की डोमेन में काम करती वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम करती थी. एंड ड्यूरिंग समर देयर वाज अ होल समर कैंप दैट वी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, राइट? एंड हाउ इट हेल्प्ड मी एज अ पर्सन, that gave me a lot of new perspectives. And during those summer, one of the summer camps, I still remember my interaction with Umair Rana, and Umair Rana helped me, and he spoke about the difference between happiness and pleasure, right? And that was the first time जब मुझे difference समझ आया था कि pleasure में और happiness में actually difference क्या होता है. And that totally changed my life. That totally helped me to take a very mature decisions in my life, कि उन चीज़ों पे मुझे स्पेंड करना है, उन एक्सपीरियंसेस को मुझे गेन करना है जो मुझे हैप्पीनेस दे रहे हो, रादर प्लेयर. कोई भी मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ है, गाड़ी है, मोबाइल है, और एनीथिंग दैट कम्स विद अ शेल्फ लाइफ ऑफ प्लेयर, जो आपको थोड़ी देर के लिए प्लेयर ज़रूर दे देगा, बट लेटर ऑन it will never give you happiness. And things that gives you happiness is adding value to others' life, doing something for your family, and that is something which never comes with an expiry date. Whenever you can think of it, आप जो है वो उस happiness को feel कर सकते हो. And second thing that I learned from my volunteering experience is developing new skills. There are a lot of skills जो कि during my volunteer experiences, especially with the Technology Incubation Center of UET, that was a den for me. That was a platform where I learned a lot of skills that helped me later on in my professional career. A lot of soft skills जो मुझे उस प्लेटफॉर्म से, उस वॉलंटियर एक्सपीरियंस से मैंने सीखी working as a startup leader. And top of the line is communication skills, like networking skills, how to put your message across. And I learned a great deal of entrepreneurship. I learned a great deal of the whole journey of an idea to the business, ठीक है? और बेशुमार और चीज़ें जो मैंने अपने टेक्नोलॉजी इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर के साथ जो मैंने for almost 3 years I worked as a volunteer, and I learned it from that platform. So third thing that my volunteering experience helped me with is building connections that last a lifetime. And volunteering has allowed me to build connections that have lasted for beyond the volunteering experience itself. And आपको ये सुन के हैरानी होगी कि उनके volunteering experience के थ्रू आप बेशुमार ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हो जो कि आपकी लाइफ में ऐसी वैल्यूज़ ऐड करते हैं. सेम वैल्यूज़ के लोग जब आपको मिलते हैं और उनके साथ जो आपका एक रिलेशन बनता है, जो एक लाइफ टाइम उनके साथ एक जो है वो मेंटरशिप का रिलेशन बनता है, दोस्ती का रिलेशनशिप बनता है, दैट इज़ प्राइसलेस. वो आपको मेरा ख्याल है बहुत सी बुक्स पढ़ के वो वैल्यूज़ या वो लेसन्स नहीं मिल सकते जो आप थ्रू वॉलंटियरिंग एक्सपीरियंस मुझे बेशुमार ऐसे लोगों से मिल के मिले हैं एंड उनमें से कुछ लोग टुडे they are like brothers to me, they are like mentors to me, right? And these relationships have been so rewarding and many of them have continued to influence my personal and professional life in unexpected ways, right? Just to name a few, I met Wajahat through volunteering experience. I went with Wajahat as a co-facilitator at one of the intervention with the KSBL and LAMS, and Farhan Riaz, amazing person. I have learned a lot of things. I have learned how to carry out myself, how to talk, how to how to think beyond limits, how to think out of the box. All these lessons I have learned from Farhan Riaz, and I through these volunteering experiences I came across Kamran Rizvi Saab. I came across Kaisar Abbas. I worked with Burhan Shah and खुरम इलाही भाई, राइट? एंड खुरम भाई से जो है वो अल्लामा के बारे में, अल्लामा की पोइट्री के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, अभी भी सीखने को मिल रहा है. सो ये तमाम लोग, आई कंसिडर देम माई mentors club. I consider them my second brain. That is all. This whole ecosystem, this whole sports system, I actually I got it from my volunteering experience. And fourth thing is volunteering experience helped me to find my purpose and fulfillment. That it's not about getting a good job and earning a good salary, and there are a lot of other things, right? And it has shaped my life by giving me a deeper sense of purpose also, that you have to pay back to the society, and that feeling of adding value. I mean, as I shared earlier, while I was working with the Rabt organization, jahan par I think there are a lot of students where I got a chance to teach them, right? So the happiness on their face and the value that I was able to add or contribute, that is priceless. And last thing is challenges and growth. Like a lot of volunteering experiences, if I recall, so they were not that much easy. I still remember traveling from my hometown to Lahore during summer holidays. लाहौर की गर्मी जून जुलाई में, और जो है वो पब्लिक सेक्टर स्कूल्स में जाकर बच्चों को पढ़ाना, और उस पूरे एक्सपीरियंस के दौरान when you are not getting anything back monetarily, right? But there are the way those kids paid me back, that is priceless, right? Because as an individual, what I learned is how to be resourceful when you are not surrounded with resources, right? And trust me, बहुत सी बेशुमार दफ़ा those experiences were emotionally draining, physically exhausting, and sometimes frustrating also, right? लेकिन today, if I recall, तो all of those challenges has actually helped me to become a better person. But those challenges were what led to the most personal growth. I learned to stay patient, work through obstacles, how to connect with the right person at the right time, how to keep myself and people around me positive, how to motivate my team. Everything I have learned through all these volunteering experiences only. And guys, that is how all those volunteering experiences has shaped my life, right? So if you are a university student and if you are not investing your time on volunteering, you have to rethink, right? Because volunteering will add value at so many levels that will help you for the rest of your life. So don't waste your time. Get every possible opportunity जहाँ पर आप अपना टाइम वॉलंटियर कर सको, जहाँ पर आप एज अ वॉलंटियर काम कर सको, and trust me, you will never regret it. So I'm looking forward to have to learn from your experiences also, to know your volunteering experiences better, and I hope this video added value. ठीक है? और if you are new to this channel, do subscribe, share this video, especially with the people who are in their university life, so that it adds value to their life also. Thank you.